How many hours do we have in a day?
24.
24. So you said we have how many hours in 2 days?
48.
So then you said 48 plus 48. How will you add 48 and 48? 48 plus 48. So you calculate it and let me know. Yes, baby.
40 plus 40 is 40. 8 plus 8 is 16. We add that, we remove that 10 from 16 and add that one day. So we have 90 and we have here 6. 96.
Okay, so now what is 96 plus 96?
I don't know what is 90 plus 90. Wait, 180.
Mm-hmm. And then 6 plus 6.
180.
Then 6 plus 6 is what?
6 plus 6 is 12.
So when you now add 12 to 180, what would it now be? First remove 100, right?
Yes.
So you have 80 left, right?
Yes.
Now add 12 to 80. What would that now be?
92.
Now add it back to the 100 that we kept.
192.
Good job. Clap for yourself.
192 hours is 4 days.
No, that's not 4 days. So we've calculated 4 days. I think we said 4 days is 96. So 192 hours will be for 8 days, I think. So now, do you want to try 196 plus 196?
Yes.
Okay.
296.
So you no, it's 192. Sorry, 192.
192.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have.
So you first keep the 200, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you now have 92 plus 92.
180.
That's 94 plus 90, right?
Yes.
But what of the 2 plus 2?
184.
84. You now add it to the 200 that you kept.
280.
200. No.
200.
Wait. You kept 200. Now you want to add 184 to 200.
Is 200.
You kept 200 before.
Oh.
Now you have 109. 100 and what again? 182. 84. So you want to add 184 to 200.
94.
It's not 94. You added 92. You added 92 plus 92 and it gave 100 and what? 84. Now, we want to add the 184 back to the 200 that you kept. So what would that now be?
300. Then 84.
Good job.
Mama.
Yes.
I wonder how many days.
That's that should be 16 days.
Wow.
Yes, that's 16 days. You're doing a great job.
Yay.
Who taught you? How did you learn all these sums?
My dad.
When did your daddy teach you?
In the car when he was saying, I was like watching something that was for 8 hours, and I was saying my daddy, but 8 hours is going to like take 16 days. But my daddy told me that 24 hours is 1 day. Is actually 1 day. I was watching something that was watching a song that was 8 hours.
Okay. So you now thought it would take a lot of days.
Like 16.
So your daddy now told you that 1 day is 24 hours.
Because I was doing like 8 plus 8 is 16.
Good job. Daddy, did you tell daddy thank you? You will tell daddy thank you when he returns from work for teaching you while he was taking you to school. He did a great job.